A very good morning, students. As we have completed the explanation of chapter 3, today through this video, I will discuss the book exercise of the same chapter. So, student, let us start our exercise. So, student, first section is filling the blanks. In this section, first statement is given here. MS Windows is an dash. So, the correct answer is here operating system. After that, second one, to customize the desktop, right click on the blank area and select the dash option. So, the correct answer is here personalize. In third one, student, a dash is like a container in which we can store similar type of files. So the correct answer is here folder. In fourth one, student, dash are the graphical image that give a quick access to see the relevant application. So the correct answer is here application icon, student. After that, next one is dash gives a complete view of the available drives and their content. So the right answer is here Windows Explorer. In sixth one, student, we can restore deleted files from the dash. So the correct answer is recycle bin. So student, now filling the blanks is. Now second statement is students state true or false. In this segment, first statement is here. The first edition of Windows operating system was introduced in 1998. So that is false, student. After that, second one is here. Microsoft Windows 7 is the latest version of Windows. So this one is also false. In third one, student, you can restore the deleted files from the computer icon. So that is also false, student. Fourth statement after that, recycle bin is a folder that hold the deleted object. So this is true statement. After that, student, fifth one is shift plus del key combination delete a files or folder permanently. So that is true statement, student. So now here our true false section is completed here. Now third is student application based question. In this section, first question is here. Ria want to delete the unwanted files or folder from the D drive. Which button will you suggest her to select from the Windows Explorer to do this task? So the correct answer is here, student. She should click on organize button and then select the delete option. Question number 2. Here Narmata wants to add picture puzzle gadget on the desktop. Which option she should select from the context menu? So the right answer is here, student. She should select gadget option from the context menu. After that, question number 3. Question number 3 is, student, the teacher has asked Kabir to create a folder in D drive so that he can save his practical assignment in that respective folder. Suggest him the way to create a folder. So right answer is here, student, open D drive and right click on the blank area, select new option and then choose the folder from the context menu. So now application based question is completed. Now next is student multiple choice question. In this segment, first question is here, name the application that provide detailed information about files, folder and drive. So the correct option is here C, Windows Explorer. Question number 2, which pen in Windows Explorer closely resembles a tree with all its branches? So the correct answer is here option A, left pane. Now third question, which symbols in Windows Explorer indicate that there are additional subfolder in the folder? So option C is correct here, blank triangle. Question number 4 is here, which icon allow you to access the shared file or drive on the different computer in a network environment? So option C is network icon is correct option here. So student, in this way our multiple choice question is also completed. Thank you for watching my video.